June 4th and a rainy morning for some of us with that complex that rolled in overnight. We have yet another complex, which is set to roll in tonight. Pretty active, but tonight's complex is going to settle down the weather for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then we'll be back into the swing of things, looking at some showers and storms as we move into Friday night into Saturday. Here's what it's doing right now. Right now, our temperature's pretty mild out there. It's 68 or 64 in Rogers, about 69 in Fayetteville. Fort Smith is 67. We are under a flash flood warning in the Fort Smith area. We had more rainfall again today. And we've already picked up, I was looking at radar estimates in the north side of Fort Smith. It was close to about 3 inches of rain. Out at the airport, it's not that much, but still a heavy, heavy rainfall that's out there. Let's break out how this looks. You can see some of the showers ending in Rogers and Bentonville. This is from the embassy camera looking northbound on the RDOT cam. Heavy traffic this morning on I-49, both north and southbound. There is a delay in the River Valley due to a truck accident near exit 7, so keep that in mind if you're headed out in that direction. As far as radar goes this morning, this is a look at some of the heavier showers and storms tracking from near Alma back down through Greenwood and Hartford. Slow moving line. You can see some of the rain behind it. That's going to cause those rain totals to pile up. Expect street flooding in Fort Smith this morning with some of that rainfall. You can see the little curl right there as that MCS or that mesoscale convective system rolled on through. It's pulled some storms behind it, so I think we do have the possibility of some scattered showers as we head into the afternoon hours. Here's another look at it as it starts to make its way on in. A wide view showing that complex diving towards the southeast. The northern extent of that rain shield is just north of the Hopper Tunnel there. It doesn't really make it into Fayetteville, Elm Springs, Rogers, or Bentonville, but I do think an isolated shower or storm still possible later on today. These thunderstorms that are in progress now look to be strongest on the southeast side of Alma. That's going to be out there right around the Arkansas River bottoms there, south of Alma out towards Mulberry and in the Lavaca area as well. We've got some heavy showers and storms coming down 253 right there along Utah Ranch Road, moving east-west, and some heavier showers of storms north of Greenwood that look to be located, where are we at here? Just moving through Norwood Drive on the north side of Greenwood, making their way out towards the east. So that's a look at the current showers which are out there. So the question is, what happens next, right? Well, let's take a look at it. This is a look at 5 o'clock tonight. You can see an isolated storm possible, little green dots here and there. But the big story is going to be the complex that develops and moves in overnight. You can see it start to come to life here by about 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. It starts to roll through sometime around, this is midnight. So we're talking 1 or 2 in the morning when this thing finally moves through. This will have the possibility of some severe weather, much like this morning with the potential for some damaging winds. This one looks gone a little earlier, though. We're still dealing with the rain this morning. Tuesday going through 6, 7 o'clock. This stuff should be gone by about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning as it moves east. I think the severe time to watch is going to be somewhere right around midnight, probably an hour or two on either side. And still, the severe weather risk isn't particularly high with this system that's moving in, mostly a rainmaker for us. And the severe risk is mostly going to be held to the overnight hours into the first part of the day coming up for Wednesday. But as I kind of alluded to, I think most of the showers and storms are going to be out of here by then. So to sum it up, we have showers to start the day, some spotty storms redevelop in the afternoon, another complex tonight, probably around midnight, 1, 2 in the morning, somewhere around that time, and then calmer weather for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then another complex tries to move in as we head into the weekend. We get back into an active pattern, but at least we get to dry out for a couple days after what's been some very heavy rainfall for many of us and some damaging weather for us in Rogers and Bentonville with all the tornadoes and the storms that we had move through. Some great weather for cleanup during the second half of the week, not so much so for today and tomorrow. I'll see you guys back here next time.